Welcome back to Unique Learning. My name is Kevin. Today also I brought you another challenging mathematics question. So first let's go through the question. So as you see in the diagram, you can see we have three 90-degree angles or three right angles. And also in addition to that, we know the lengths of four sides which are marked 3, 3, 4 and 5. But there is one more side marked as x. So that means we don't know the length of this side. So what you need to do is show that the length of this side is square root 71. So if you can show that, you are done. Okay, so now you can pause the video and try to solve the question. So once you are done, you can continue watching the video so that you can figure out the answer and check whether your working is correct. Okay, so now you can pause the video. Okay, so I hope you figured out the answer. Okay, so let's first look at the data. So for data, what they have given. So in the question, we can see three angles named 90 degrees. So this angle is 90, this angle is 90, and this angle is 90. And also we know four sides. So this we know this is 4, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Okay. So what many students did was they just joined this line from here to here. So by using Pythagoras triplets, they wrote this is, if this one is 4, this one is 3, this is going to be 5. And also they joined from here to here. And since this is 4 and this is 5, they wrote this is 3, and they wrote the answer is 8. So the full length is 8, so this will be equal to this. But the problem here is we don't know whether this angle is 90 or not, right? We don't know whether this line is parallel to this one or not, because in the data it is not given, right? So let me slightly change the question, and instead of 4, let me use 3 here. Instead of 4, I will use 3 here. Okay, so because it will help you to understand why I am telling this will not be parallel to the x side. Okay, so let me erase what I drew. Okay, so now let me do one thing. So let me extend this side. I will extend this side. So I will extend this side, and so when I extend, I will get something like this. And here I will draw a parallel line to this one right here. From here I will start and draw a parallel line to this side with length 4. So this is just construction. So these are just constructions. Okay. So in that case, what can you tell about the angles? So you can see this angle is 90 degrees, right? Because this is parallel. So these two sides are parallel. So if this one is 90, this is also going to be 90. Then same way here it's also going to be 90. So obviously this is a rectangle, right? So all the angles are 90. So this side is 4, this side is 3. Okay, so if this side is 3, what can you tell about this side? This side is also going to be 3. This side is going to be 3, right? Then from here to here, we already know it is 5. From here to here, we already know in the data it is given that length is 5. Okay, so now we know from here to here it is 8. Okay, then what about from here to here? So it is going to be 4, right? Because this is the opposite side of the rectangle is 4, so this is also going to be 4. Done. Okay, so now we know this length, we know this length. So let's just connect from here to here. I'll try to connect from this point over here, right? So okay, so now I have connected this point and this point. So now here you can see a right angle triangle, right? So right angle triangle of one side, one foot is 8, the other foot is 4, but we don't know this foot. So you can see what is the length of this foot. You can find it 8 squared. By using Pythagoras, you can say it is 5 plus 4, 3 is 8, and 4 squared square root, right? So let me name it like A, B, C, D, E, and F. Okay, so what is this? This is going to be EB, right? EB squared. So EB squared is going to be 8 squared plus 4 squared. So 8 squared is 64 and 4 squared is 16, whole thing squared. So it is going to be square root of 80. Square root of 80. Okay, so now we know this length is square root of 80, right? Square root of 80. Okay, so now let's find, here this is a right angle triangle EB and this is 3, so this is going to be, what is x? Again, using Pythagoras you can say x squared is equal to, this is square root 80, so if it is square root 80, whole thing squared is going to be 80. If this is 80 and then that is 3, right? So it is going to be minus 9, so it is going to be 71. X squared is 71, therefore x is equal to square root 71. Okay. Okay, so thank you very much for watching our video. So I hope you clearly understood that, and if you have any questions you can post in the comment section. And also if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and also click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. Okay, so thank you very much.